Established protocol to say welcome to the press center, the state secretariat of the Nigerian Union of Journalists. It's going to be a very great evening, an evening of fun, an evening of excitement and joy. All over the world it's reggae evening and people are celebrating a great musical icon, a man who used his music to speak to the world, a man who preached peace, who preached love, and a man who believed that there should be equal rights and justice for the people of the world. That's Bob Marley. We want to say that Edo State Council of the Nigerian Union of Journalists will believe in his vision, will believe in his messages. And today, we are also preaching love, unity, and progress in Edo State. It's going to be an evening of so much music, but I want to request that let's maintain peace here. Let's ensure there's orderliness. We have invited officers and men of the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency. They are very much around. And I will not be ready to grant or request for bail of anybody who will thereafter go within this vicinity to engage in smoking of Indian hemp. You can smoke Indian hemp after now, but you cannot smoke it in these premises. We have enough security who are on ground. If you look at your left, right, and center, you can see men of the Anti-Kidnapping and Cybercrime Unit of the Edo State Police Command. And we also have Department of State Service on the ground, they are here. So please avoid smoking of Indian hemp in these premises tonight and other nights. Is highly prohibited. Thank you very much. And let's have fun. The Edo NUJ entertainment team will come thereafter and entertain you. We have very great live musical artists that will also entertain us here today. It will be music unlimited. Thank you once again. Our national trust, you have taken our time to be here. Please, thank you too for joining us. May God bless you all in Jesus' name. Thank you very much. So let me also thank the committee led by my friend Aliu, who of course put together this event in conjunction with Balamus. We all refer to him as Daniel Ayemere. Thank you very much, Bala. Thank you, Aliu. Subsequently, you'll be appointed to other committees. Thank you very much.
To be honest, I'm happy for today. I'm happy to be here. To be honest, you guys did very, very, very well. For Marley Night, I appreciate you guys, and I want this event to continue on. I appreciate you guys. You guys did very well. I enjoy more than myself here. I enjoy myself, to be honest.
We are here to celebrate Bob Marley's Day. It's not just about celebrating the day, we are celebrating the inspiration he has brought to life. If you listen to the lyrics of most of his songs, it's very, very educative. It inspired you. So it's not about smoking of Indian hemp. What we are doing here is to make people understand that Marley Day is not for smoking of Indian hemp. It's a good day to celebrate. And that's what we are doing. We are celebrating with the NUJ chairman and members of this place. So I feel so happy to be among those celebrating this.
Well, it's a novel idea by the Edo State NUJ Council, and I must commend the chairman and his team for putting this up. This is the first time in the history of this council that such will happen. It's an international day, and so I'm also glad to be part of this. You can see people are happy, they are enjoying themselves, and it's also a way to unwind, you know. So they feel that, okay, after the day's work, they can come and enjoy, and everything has been fun all the way.
Today, we Edo State journalists want to jollificate with all our friends for here for Edo State. Because of today, now be Marley Day, May 11. And this one is the first time for the history of Edo State NUJ, where all journalists and their friends and their family members go gather together, come to celebrate this great day. In fact, we don't enjoy ourselves. Next year, Marley Day celebration for May 11, 2024, go dey ogbonge pass this one. This one are just rehearsal. Next year, by God's will be the real performance.
Well, you know, reggae music is very philosophical. It's a music that is used to send strong message to the world on the need for equal right, peace and justice. And we are promoting love. So as journalists, we felt that if you write your story, you must ensure that there is love and unity in the system. So we want to also use the opportunity to request journalists to continue to use their pen to promote peace, unity and love. So what we are just seeing here today is an opportunity for us to unwind, you know, and see the best where we can use the news media to send the message of unity, the message of equal right and justice to the entire world. So I congratulate Edo State journalists for taking our time to join us here today on what you have just witnessed now. Because of the situation of this NUJ 5 years ago, 3 years ago, that was why I decided that I was coming in to change the system. So I came in, a lot of things have changed, you know, starting from the attitude of journalists, starting from approach, starting from the ethics of the profession, starting from the aesthetic nature of the premises. A lot of things have changed, and I'll continue to do this in the NUJ. It's our duty to encourage any incoming chairman of the union in Edo State. We must encourage him, we must advise him, and we must also tell him how we succeeded. And that's the best way to go. Whosoever takes over from me, I'm not going to be far from the union at all. I'll always be around to give counsel, to give advice, and then to support the union to the greater height.